Alright, ladies and gentlemen, for some reason, SketchUp decided to run an update, and 2017 is no longer supported for the 3D warehouse, which is why I can't get signed in anymore. So that's definitely disappointing. So I've been looking for workarounds because there's always got to be a workaround of some sort, and I haven't found anything except for this. I installed a version of SketchUp for Schools onto our domain for free. So if you go to your little waffle up here, scroll down, you can go to Sketchup for Schools. It'll ask you to sign in. Just use your stjohnbc.net account and you should be ready to roll. It is different, which is not awesome. You can take the tour if you want to. I'm just going to start modeling. It is different in the way that the icons look, and so everything that you did memorize, you know the basic concept, you know how to do it. It's just going to take a little while to learn the different tools. So some of this looks a little different. There are a few more options than there were before with some of this because it is a newer, updated version. But for the most part, I can still do the same things. So still make the same shapes, still lift things up, still color things with a lot of different options. And honestly, I haven't explored a ton. I just wanted to make sure that we could still do everything that we wanted to do. And I think we probably can. I'd be curious to see how much. Okay, good. Yeah, they still give us a good variety of ways that we can decorate. That's great. So the main advantage that Sketch for Schools has is you can do this from any computer. If you want to work on this from home, you can, as long as you are logged into your stjohnbc.net account. Your stuff will always be here. Just make sure that you save it, right? Save it to your drive. Otherwise, so the big advantage is the 3D warehouse, which is one of these buttons. I'm going to guess it's that one. The 3D warehouse, look at that. So if I wanted to look for something like a car, no, not a car. I don't want you to put in a car. Something for your house like stairs or a door. Doors will be necessary. I can grab a door and just like that, kapow, it even matches. Look at that. I have a door, and then click to get to stay. This is my first time going through this, and it does seem a little bit intuitive just because I've been working on SketchUp for a long time, and so the tools that I learned with the downloaded version cross over quite a bit with this. So play around with it. I would encourage you to build your house in this if you don't want to have to create everything, but take a look at the different tools, explore, don't be afraid, you're not going to break it. And if you already started, that's okay. Get out of here. Because you can go to import from your device and you can drag in a SKP file or the PNG file. So if you took a picture of the Madison County GIS workshop, you took a picture of your outline of your house, you can bring that in here and draw right on top of it. A few things will be a little bit different, but that's part of the learning process. Part of learning computers is learning to adjust, because you learn how to use a program, but you also learn how to problem solve, which is kind of a bigger deal, because when you're out in the workforce, this probably is not going to exist. You're learning a program now that's not going to exist, but your problem solving skills and learning how to do it. Even though I've never used this program, you're watching me explore this for the first time ever. Because I've been exposed to other things that are similar, I'm able to navigate around okay, at least, because of that experience. And that's kind of the goal, again, for computers, is that you will learn skills to explore more on your own and be more literate with the computer, because technology is constantly changing. So that's all I have. Good luck.